In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or disable closed captions and subtitles on your Roku TV or Roku streaming device. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But starting off on the Roku home screen, what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you see settings. You can also scroll up as well. Once you're in your settings though, go ahead and find the accessibility settings and open it up. From here, you're going to see a captioning section right here. And you're looking specifically for the captions mode setting. It may also say subtitle modes, but essentially go ahead and select this and put it on off rather than something like on always or on replay. Put it to off. And after you go ahead and have this set up to off, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is just back out and you'll be good to go. Now, some apps are gonna control subtitles separately. For example, inside of like Netflix or, Amazon Prime, right? You'll have to go ahead and pause while the video is playing and open up the subtitle or audio settings specifically on that app and just turn them off. The exact layout may look a little bit different depending on the app that you're using, but overall, this is how you could turn off captions here on a Roku. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.